Hi everyone, my name is Cameron Bowen and welcome to another broker review. Today we are looking at ETX Capital. So first off, a bit of background. ETX Capital is the trading name actually used by Monaco Limited. So it's a company that's been around for quite over 50 years now. 1965 was when it started. Since then it's been a participating stock in the London Stock Exchange. A broker that's been around that long will have a lot of long-term clients. So the sort of ins and outs of ETX Capital, the minimum deposit rate is £100. The spread goes down to 0.6, which is quite low. You can see here 0.6. Leverage, it goes up to 200 to 1. As we've mentioned in previous reviews, the more leverage you get, the obviously more money you can make, but the flip side of that is the more money you can lose. So do be wary of that and decide which one you think is best for you, what leverage level. Minimum trade is a micro lot, so it's 0.1 or 0.01, sorry, which again bodes well for beginners. You can trade obviously with small amounts then, and obviously up your size the more consistent you get. So we can see here, these are the instruments they offer: Forex, indices, equities, and commodities. They do actually offer binary as well. So you can see here, binary options, pretty much offering you everything that's available on the market apart from a few of the derivatives as well as crypto. What sort of support do they offer? We'll come to platforms in a second. The FAQ section here, if we quickly click that, is in 15 different languages, so they should be able to answer most of your problems depending on where you're from. 3 platforms, basically the 3 types of accounts you can use. So you can have a Trader Pro account, an MT4 account, or a binary account. And these correspond to the platforms that they use. So again, there's 3 platforms, which is Trader Pro, we'll go and have a look at shortly. MT4, which is its own platform in itself, but using an API, and you can trade through ETX through the back of it. And then they've got a new binary platform as well. When you open an account with ETX, well, they do ask you to show proof of ID as well as address. So, there are good security measures when signing up to ETX. If we scroll down a little bit further, so you can see this is what they accept: Visa, MasterCard. So some of these are good secure options. They also do bank transfers and wire transfers as well. When you withdraw money from your account, so they will ask for some sort of verification, maybe a proof of ID, maybe a proof of address, again, just to make sure that security is high and that you are who you say you are. So we've mentioned the platforms. I do have a demo account with these, so we'll have a look at that now. Okay, so what are we looking for really on a platform? We want it to be easy to use. We want to find exactly the markets we're looking for quickly, as well as we want to know exactly what trades we've been in, what trades we are in, and how easy they are to find. The last thing that you want to be looking for in a platform is, if you like technical analysis, quality of their charting platform. Okay, so we have here cash balance, open P&L, margin, liquidation, and trade funds available. So this tells us how much money we've got in our account, but it's all at the top, very self-explanatory, very easy to see. You've got your account number here. Here you've got the markets as well as here. These look to be popular markets here. So if we scroll through them, you can see just a variety of different markets from different asset classes. Rolling daily, you can see you've got all of the FX here. If we search as well, so if we wanted to go Euro Sterling, there you can find the product here. The asset here is got its bid, its ask, low, high, the change, and then, or if you wanted to take a trade, click that, and then obviously it comes up here. You can put your stop in and your limit in. The difference between the sell and the buy is the spread, and then this is how much you're going to put in. That would be for an immediate trade. If we took that now, you can also put an order in here, so you can decide the level you want to get in at using this function here. All very manageable and all pretty good. Down at the bottom, you've got accounts, so open positions, any orders you've got in the market, any alerts you've got in the market, closed positions, your trade history, your balance, so you can see here your account, and then I'm sure you can download account statements as well. Very user friendly. I do like it. The last thing we need to look at is, let's look at a chart. So the charting isn't the greatest. The fact that I don't have the biggest screen on this laptop that we're using, but you can see it's quite difficult to get the whole thing in, which isn't ideal. But in terms of usability, I think it's fairly similar to a lot of the other charting software we've seen. You can change the period, you can change the candles. The price, we've just got the middle price, but you can change the bid to the ask. Your drawing functions down here, as well as your studies. So if you wanted moving averages, if you wanted MACDs, things like that, we click here and you can see we've got plenty of options. DMI, parabolics, plenty of options. Drawing tools again. So it's all here. If you consider yourself a technical analyst, you may want something slightly more high tech, because you can only look at one chart at a time. But if we wanted just to have a quick look at the close of the candle of yesterday, you can see, look, quickly make a decision and go, okay, maybe we're a bit of resistance. So as I mentioned earlier, I do like this platform. I do think it's very easy to maneuver yourself around, easy to take trades, so I would recommend it. If you would like to see a written review of this trading platform, check out Snipe the Trade. There is an excellent review on there that goes through all the ins and outs. Now guys, to open an account, either go to ETX, click the link below, or go to Snipe the Trade, where you'll find easy links to go and open and fund your account. If you want to see more review videos, please click subscribe to never miss a video again. And as I mentioned, there are links below in the description that can take you to ETX and can also take you to more relevant websites. For the moment, we'll call that a day. Thank you very much, and I'll speak to you guys again soon.